Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create professional word search puzzles using. Before we begin, please make sure to check the guide included with this package. Inside, you'll find a list of free puzzle creator apps. For this project, we'll be using our preferred option, app, which we've found to be the most effective and user-friendly. To create a puzzle book that's ready to publish and generate income, we'll follow these steps. 1. Identify your target audience and choose a topic. 2. Build a word list for your puzzles. 3. Generate puzzles using. 4. Format and design the puzzle book. 5. Finalize and prepare for publication. With this step-by-step tutorial, you'll go from an idea to a fully finished word search puzzle book, ready to publish and share with the world. You don't need any special skills or experience to start creating and publishing puzzle books. Follow each step closely, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can create something fun, valuable. Step 1. Identify your target audience and choose a topic. Before choosing a theme for your puzzle book, the first step is to identify your target audience. Word search books appeal to many groups: kids, teenagers, adults, and seniors. But each group has different needs. For example, kids, ages 5 to 12. They enjoy small grids like 8x8 or 10x10, short word lists, and fun themes such as animals, space, or holidays. A well-chosen niche not only attracts the right audience, but also increases your chances of success. Step 2. Build a word list for your puzzles. Once you have chosen a topic, the next step is to build a list of related words. Repeat this process for all the topics. Make sure each list is placed neatly under its corresponding topic. This way, you'll build organized word banks for your puzzles. Once you've collected enough words across multiple topics, you're ready to move on to the next step. This is the software interface. It's time to start making your first word search puzzle. This is where you add the words for the puzzle. Go to your notepad, copy the first list of words we prepared, and paste them into this text area. Use this button to shuffle the list if you want to change the order. Next, adjust the puzzle grid size. For kids ages 5 to 12, smaller grids like 10x10 or 12x12 are best. At the bottom, there's space for footer text. This could be a page reference for the solution. These fields are optional but helpful. Next, select the allowed directions for words. For children or seniors, it's best to keep them simple. Now press the Generate button. The puzzle is ready. Notice the puzzle appears with grid lines. If you'd prefer a cleaner look, just uncheck this box. But keep in mind, grids with lines are usually easier for kids and seniors. Click here to view the solution. Each time you regenerate the puzzle, the solution updates as well. You can press the button again and again to rearrange the grid until you like the result. Don't forget to check the solution and download both the PDF and PNG files. Repeat this process for all your topics. It only takes about a minute to create each puzzle, and soon you'll have a full collection ready to format into a book. Now we're going to arrange the puzzles neatly and create a complete book with a consistent style, proper spacing, and a clean layout. By this point, you should already have all your puzzles downloaded. Remember, for each puzzle we have two files: the puzzle itself in PDF format and the solution in PNG format. Step 5. Finalize and prepare for publication. Now that our puzzle book is complete, the final step is to get it ready for publishing. First, double-check all the important details. Verify the book title, description, author name, and copyright notice. On the second page, add the ISBN number provided by Amazon. When you create a new paperback in Amazon KDP, they will assign you an ISBN. Simply copy that number and paste it here. Next, make sure the total number of pages matches correctly. Review the legal notice and confirm that the wording is accurate. Then, go through the entire book to confirm that each page is perfectly formatted. Don't forget to save your final version before publishing. Once you're satisfied, it's time to export the book as a print-ready PDF. The last step is to upload this file to your Amazon KDP account.